Welcome to the vibrant city of Toronto, Canada's largest and most energetic city. If you are looking to buy a home here, you have come to the right place. I'm Mo from Central Estate, and in this guide, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know to find your dream home in Toronto. Learn about the dynamics of Toronto's housing market, driven by a strong economy and population growth. Learn how market trends and seasonal fluctuations can affect your purchasing decisions. From detached houses with private spaces to modern apartments, explore the different types of homes available in Toronto. Find out which type of home fits your lifestyle and budget. You will also read in this article, choosing the right neighborhood, determine your budget, finding a real estate agent, start the home search process, submit a proposal, moving furniture to your new home. Ready to start your journey? Our experienced consultants at Central Estate are ready to guide you every step of the way. Contact us today to begin your search for the perfect home in Toronto.